Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have permissions, so begin by opening the Sharepoint site and selecting Site Contents. Click New and choose List to start a custom list. This gives you a clean structure and control. Name the list descriptively and add a short description so others know its purpose. Once done, set navigation visibility and choose whether to show in Site Contents. Make sure to plan column types now: text, choice, date, because those decisions determine data validation and future views. Now you add and configure columns. Click Add Column and pick the appropriate type for each field. Use choice for controlled values and person for user lookups. Set defaults to speed data entry. Once columns exist, open list settings to enable versioning, permissions inheritance, and content types if you need multiple item templates. Also configure column validation rules to prevent bad data. Make sure to test by adding a sample item so you can adjust types or defaults before sharing with the team. To finish, create useful views, filtered lists, grouped summaries, or a calendar view for date-driven items, and set default view. Once done, confirm permissions. Break inheritance if the list needs unique access, then add groups or individuals with appropriate roles. Automate with Power Automate flows or integrate with teams if needed. If things go wrong, first check column data types and required fields. Often access problems are permission-related, so verify user roles and versioning settings before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.